Window installation is one of the most significant home improvement projects for homeowners in Houston, Texas. The right windows not only boost the aesthetic appeal of your home but also improve energy efficiency and protect your property from harsh weather conditions. However, many homeowners make mistakes during the installation process that can lead to long-term issues, higher costs, and unnecessary stress. To help you ensure a successful installation, here are some common mistakes to avoid when installing windows in Houston. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the first and most critical decisions you'll make during window installation is choosing the right type of window. Houston's climate, with its hot summers and occasional intense storms, calls for windows that are both energy efficient and durable. Unfortunately, some homeowners opt for windows that are not suited to the local weather conditions, leading to poor insulation and vulnerability to damage. When selecting windows for your home, be sure to consider the energy efficiency ratings, materials, and impact resistance. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are often preferred in Houston because they offer excellent insulation properties and are low maintenance. Double-glazed windows also provide better energy efficiency, helping to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Improper measurement and sizing. One of the most costly mistakes is incorrect measurements. If your windows aren't properly sized to fit the opening, you could face serious problems, including air leaks, water damage, and inefficient insulation. This mistake could require costly repairs or a complete replacement of the windows, both of which could have been avoided with accurate measurements. It's essential to measure both the height and width of the window opening, accounting for any framing adjustments that may be needed. Even a small error in measurement can lead to a significant issue. If you're not confident in your measuring skills, it's always best to have a professional installer handle this step. Ignoring proper flashing and sealing. Flashing and sealing are crucial to ensuring that your windows are watertight. Without proper flashing, rainwater can seep into the window frame, causing moisture buildup and potential damage to your walls and foundation. Many homeowners either overlook the importance of flashing or fail to install it correctly. In Houston, where heavy rainfall and storms are common, installing windows with inadequate flashing and sealing can lead to costly water damage over time. Be sure to work with a window installer who understands the importance of sealing and flashing. A high-quality sealant can also help improve energy efficiency by preventing drafts and keeping your home more comfortable. DIY installation without the right expertise. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation is generally not a task that homeowners should tackle on their own, especially without prior experience. Proper installation requires a high level of skill to ensure the windows are securely installed, properly sealed, and correctly aligned. A poor installation job can lead to air and water leaks, reduced energy efficiency, and difficulty in opening or closing the windows. Unless you have experience in window installation, it's best to hire a professional contractor who specializes in this type of work. They have the knowledge, tools, and expertise to get the job done right and avoid common mistakes. Choosing a professional also ensures that the work meets local building codes and is up to the latest industry standards. Skipping the inspection after your windows have been installed, it's essential to inspect the work. Many homeowners assume that everything is fine once the job is completed, but a post-installation inspection can reveal issues such as improper sealing, misalignment, or gaps between the window and frame. Inspecting your windows after installation allows you to catch problems early and prevent more significant issues down the line. Look for visible gaps, check the functionality of the window, and ensure the windows open and close smoothly. If anything seems off, reach out to your installer promptly to have it corrected. Choosing the cheapest option in an attempt to save money, some homeowners opt for the cheapest windows or installation services available. While this might save you money up front, it can lead to higher long-term costs. Low-quality windows can result in poor insulation, higher energy bills, and more frequent repairs or replacements. In addition, opting for subpar installation services can lead to issues such as poor sealing and misalignment, resulting in costly fixes. Instead of focusing solely on cost, consider the value of the windows and the quality of the installation. Investing in quality windows and skilled professionals will save you money in the long run by preventing issues and improving your home's energy efficiency. Conclusion: window installation is a significant investment for homeowners in Houston, and avoiding these common mistakes can help ensure that your project is a success. By choosing the right windows, ensuring proper measurements, installing quality flashing, hiring professionals, conducting inspections, and making informed decisions about cost, you can enjoy the benefits of beautiful, energy-efficient windows that will last for years to come. Take the time to avoid these common pitfalls and enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are properly installed and your home is protected.